In this video, we're going to dig into how to view the results of an AirMapper survey. The first step in viewing a Wi-Fi survey is to click on the AirMapper icon on the left side of the screen. From here, we can see a list of all the surveys that have been uploaded to Link Live. I'll select one of the surveys to use as an example. Once the survey's been selected, we can see the detailed information about the survey. This information includes the survey type, date and time, unit information, the number of survey points, and the floor plan name. Across the top, we see various viewing options. These include Analysis, Bluetooth Low Energy Survey, Wi-Fi Survey, and Export. If Bluetooth was not enabled on the Etherscope NXG, the Bluetooth Low Energy option will be grayed out. We'll start by viewing the Wi-Fi survey. The Wi-Fi survey will display the floor plan and the information for each of the survey points. Let's start by taking a look at the various settings for viewing a Wi-Fi survey. Beginning in the upper left corner of the screen, we have the display option field. This determines the value that will be displayed for each of the survey points on the heat map. Clicking on this field will display all of the available options. These options will vary based on the unit type used to conduct the survey and the type of survey conducted. Based on the option selected, an additional option field may appear next to the option field. For example, if I select Signal, the additional option field allows me to select the strongest, second strongest, or third strongest AP. In this example, we can get an idea of the level of overlap at each of the survey points. Directly below the Options field is the Legend slider. This slider works as a filter. When viewing the heat map, any value below the value set in the Legend slider will be grayed out. This is helpful when identifying those areas where signal strength or data rates may be below desired levels. For some options, an auto-scale button will appear below the legend. As an example, if I select Max Transmit Rates in the option field, the auto-scale button appears. Clicking on this will set the max value of the legend to the maximum transmit rate observed, and the minimum value to the minimum transmit rate observed. In some cases, you may want to only display the information for a specific SSID, channel, or security setting. This is where filters come in. Filters allow you to display a subset of the survey data collected. The available filters will depend on the type of survey conducted and whether the unit used to perform the survey is under Ally Care support. As an example, I can filter on a specific SSID for a specific band. By selecting multiple filter criteria within this window, I can drill down into the information that is of most interest to me. Once applied, the filters are displayed next to the filter button. These filters may be removed by clicking on the X next to each filter. The floor plan may not always be positioned as we'd like it to be. By clicking on the Rotate Floor Plan icon, the floor plan may be rotated. This will make viewing the floor plan and results much easier than turning your head sideways. There are times when you want to zoom into a portion of the heat map. The Zoom tool shows the current scale. Clicking on the plus button will zoom in and the minus button will zoom out. This tool may be moved around the screen by clicking and dragging on the two lines in the upper left corner. Display settings allow you to change what's displayed on the heat map. The available settings are Path. This shows the path the surveyor took. Roam points. This will show where roaming occurred. If no roaming occurred, this will not appear or may be grayed out. Values. Enabling values will display the value of the selected option at each of the survey points. Signal propagation. This value is set to the value specified when the survey was configured. Changing this value will change the size of the circle at each survey point. If comments were present within the survey, the comments checkbox will be present. This allows you to turn comments off or on. Comments may be added to the survey by holding down the Control key and clicking at the desired location on the floor plan. This is a great way to annotate the survey with key information. Clicking on a survey point will bring up a window that displays the detailed information measured at that point. The information displayed in this window will vary based on the type of survey performed and the options selected at the top of the screen. The columns may be sorted by clicking on the column header. The location of each column may be changed by clicking and dragging the column. When a field is blue, it indicates that clicking on the field will display detailed information about the field. As an example, in this column we can see there are adjacent channel interferers. Clicking on the value in that column will display those interferers. The filter field at the top of the screen may be used to filter down on specific results. This is a free string match field. Clicking on the Tools icon in the lower right corner will display additional tools for the Wi-Fi survey. These tools include Add to Template, View Templates, Generate Report, Download PNG. Let's take a look at these in detail. Adding a template. This creates a template based on the current settings. You will need to assign the template a unique name when saving it. The greatest advantage of templates is that you can use them over and over again. Creating templates significantly reduces the time taken to generate a report, as multiple templates can be selected during the report generation process. View Templates provides a means to manage the templates that have been created. All of the saved templates are displayed. The settings for each template are shown below the name. Clicking on View will apply the template to the current survey. Templates may be deleted by clicking Remove. Generate Report will create a PDF report and save it to the Uploaded Files section of Link Live. The first step is to configure the cover page. Here, we can add a logo, enter a title for the report, assign labels, and provide a description. Next, we will select the templates that will be used when generating the report. In order to create a report, you must first create at least one template. By default, all available templates will be selected. Deselect those templates you do not want included in the report. After you've selected the desired templates, click Generate to create the report. If I switch over to Uploaded Files, I can see the report is being processed. As soon as processing is complete, the report may be downloaded. There may be times when you want to include the current heat map in a report or presentation. Selecting Download PNG will save the current view to a PNG file on your computer. The file can then be imported into a document or saved as part of the survey information. In summary, the Wi-Fi survey tool in Link Live provides an in-depth view into the survey results. These survey results may be viewed by anyone in the organization without a need to load special software. Creating a library of templates will reduce the time it takes to generate consistent reports. Be sure to check out our other videos on getting the most out of Link Live.